Hello guys, it's Reese Record back in another video of unboxing. So guys, today we are gonna unbox a very small and a budget drone. So let's start with the unboxing. So guys, the quality of the box is good, and let me tell you that this is split over a 1 key rotate circle and 1 key return also. Okay, so length is 25 centimeter, height is 6 centimeter, and this drone is without camera and Wi-Fi. So guys, let's start with the unboxing. So let's unbox this drone now. So guys, this is the drone. This is the drone, guys, and this is the user manual. Guys, I recommend you please read this user manual before flying this drone, so that you can operate it properly. It is in English and in Chinese too. Okay, let's get started. So guys, here is our drone. The landing skids are attached to it, you can see. Let's give it a side. Here is our transmitter. Okay, let me take it out. Come on, man. So guys, here is our small transmitter, and here is a charging cable and a landing skid. Okay, so let's fix it before flying. Charging cable. Okay, so you can charge your drone battery from this. So guys, we have fixed all the landing skids. So guys, let's try this drone now. Firstly, we should check it out which battery we have got. We have got a 3.7 volt 300 mAh LiPo battery. So guys, let's fly this drone now. You can see the camera board, but we have not got the camera. So guys, let's fly this drone. Let me switch it on. It is a windy day today, and here is the transmitter. Let's switch it on, and now it is connected. So guys, let me fly this drone.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And